Hi, my name is Dr. Evan Meier with Levine Music, and I'm here to tell you about a unique and innovative approach to the study of music theory. Do you sing or play an instrument but never learned how to read music? Do you want to take your musicianship skills to a higher level? Do you want to learn to transcribe music and play by ear? Or do you want to learn how to write your own music? Levine's online music theory classes will help you develop these skills in an interactive classroom environment. This class is not simply an online textbook. These in-depth lessons feature real-time musical examples that you can listen to, play back, and interact with. By registering for the class, you're given access to our online classroom with its suite of innovative instructional software. You can drill note reading, rhythms, and other fundamental skills in Musition. You can complete your assignments and other projects in the full version of Noteflight, an easy-to-use and accessible music notation program. You can test your ear training skills and practice melodic dictation using Aurelia. And you can get real-time feedback on your sight singing or sight reading in Practice First. You can enroll in a class at any time and complete your work at your own pace. An instructor is available to answer any questions that might come up. We offer music theory basics, which can be taken by total beginners or by musicians who want to brush up on their music theory skills. This is the class to take if you want to learn how to read music. We also offer Music Theory Accelerated, which is designed for students who are fluent in reading music and want to learn more advanced skills. If you're not sure which class to take, reach out to me by email or take a free online placement test today, and I'll be sure to find the class that's the best fit for you.